Welcome to Kiga Rwanda. Today we are going to learn about the way AOMEI Partition Assistant works. The AOMEI Partition Assistant is an application software that gives you a full or a complete control about your hard disk and its partitions. This application software helps someone to make different operations on the hard disk of his or her PC. Now, this as it is an application software, you have to download it and install it into your PC so that you start using it. Now, for me, I have it in my PC. I open it. Then you see that the new Windows is opened after opening the AOMEI Partition Assistant, and what is appearing here is there are different partitions. We have C, we have D, we have another partition which is like unavailable, and any change that you want to make with your partition here, you have to select it. For this one, which is looking like unavailable, let me start by deleting it. I select it. As you see, it is selected. Then I can delete it. I choose delete. Then by choosing delete, the new wizard will be open. Then I choose OK, like this. You see that it is now deleted. Okay, now we can continue with other operations. I select, for example, D, and I'm going to create a new partition with D. By creating new partition with D, for example, after selecting it, I choose create partition here, and I click create partition, and the wizard will be opened, showing me the capacity of the new partition, and this capacity is the half of the free space capacity of the divided disk. For example, I have divided the my files D with free space of 220 GB, and then I press OK. The new volume will be having the letter F, and I press OK. By pressing OK, you see that the new volume or the new partition will be created here. Now, after this, you can make different changes. For me, different operations, they are here. Those operations appeared after selecting any partition that you want to make any change with. Then you see that those operations, there are so many. Starting from here, you see that you can resize or move partition, you can image partition, you can split partition, you can allocate free space, you can clone partition, you can create partition, you can delete partition, you can format partition, change label. Okay, let me also do change label here. Change label. Change label means to give the name, as that one is called my files, and give it the name to this. Be called, for example, Tito be called Tito, for example, and then I press OK. See that the partition is created with letter F and labeled Tito, and you can make different changes with AOMEI partition assistant. Now, to agree to changes, you have to close this. You have to close this program like this, and then after closing, you will get a notification asking you if you are sure to save changes. Yes, you click OK, and then choose proceed here, and then agree if you want to start. Yes, and then wait a little bit so that your changes be agreed or completed to your PC. You see that this application software is the good one that agrees changes quickly. Your made changes are agreed quickly. It is the simple way or the easy way to partition your, or to deal with partitions or deal with your hard disk drive. And you see that here the notification is telling you, congratulations, all operations have been completed successfully. Then choose OK. After choosing OK, now we are going to check if our partitions are created by opening file management or file explorer here. Then you see here we have now 3 partitions. Local disk C, we have my files D and Tito F. And Tito F is empty because it is created after it is the new created partition. And you see that we have now 3 partitions, C, D, and F. Thank you for watching. I require you to stay tuned so that you can get more videos, more shared videos, and by requiring you to subscribe, like, and share to our channel. Stay tuned.